This is the spectacular and aptly named Cotton Ball, A4646206, a 2-year-old male white miniature poodle who came into the Baldwin Park shelter as a stray from Rowland Heights on October 24th, and this is just a home run dog. He is house trained, he is social, he's recently been groomed, he's in great shape, healthy guy, and so we really think that this is somebody's beloved pet. So if this is your dog, come get him from the Baldwin Park shelter. But in a couple of days he's going to be available for adoption, and we want to make sure that he goes to a fantastic home because he is just social and joyful, loves people, good with other dogs. He can be a little excited around other dogs, so sometimes other dogs don't like that energy level.
He's a talker.
He just is a happy, loving, communicative guy. He's okay on leash, but could use a little additional leash training. And Jeanette, is there anything else you can tell us about Cotton Ball?
Like I said, he's a talker, so if you need conversation, this guy will make conversation with you.
And just a beautiful, sweet, social dog. Home run boy is going to do well in any living situation, apartment, family, individual, private home. He's about 10 pounds approximately, and he's here at the Baldwin Park shelter. So come be first in line to take home Cotton Ball. He's fantastic.